Hey everyone, it's Jay Campbell, the technical trainer here at IBIX North America. Today I want to talk about one of two systems on the Easy Blast series. This right here is the Easy Blast 6 system. It is our second smallest system that we have to offer, and it is strictly a dry unit. It's all aluminum, so it will not rust or corrode on you. It also makes it very lightweight. This machine will hold around 15 pounds of material, and empty weighs around 30 pounds. When you first get the unit, it will come with the 20-foot hose as well as the 3mm nozzle at the gun. It does require compressed air to run this machine. For this unit, we usually require around 10 to 12 CFM to run this machine. When you first get the unit, it will come with the funnel as well as built-in screen, which will help out when you are using a material such as the garnet or any reusable materials that may have any larger chunks or particles or any kind of debris that may mix with that material. These are pressurized systems, so once you pull the trigger, the flapper door will seal 100%, which won't allow anything to go in or out of the unit. So on the Easy Blast 6, it's still offering the same controllability as far as the pressures as all our other machines. So by turning the pressure regulator counterclockwise, we will be able to decrease the pressure to a 0 position and then increase it all the way up to 100 to 116 psi. If you found that perfect setting, or if you have multiple users that are using the machine and you don't want to adjust the pressure, all you have to do is simply push down on the cap. Once you hear that click, that will lock your pressure setting in its current position. To begin to move that freely once again, all you have to do is pull up just slightly. You'll hear another click, and at that point you'll be able to readjust your pressure by decreasing it again counterclockwise or increasing it, turning it clockwise. Moisture, humidity, since we are using compressed air, it's always a factor. So to battle that, we've actually added a moisture separator to the pressure regulator. So if you see any moisture that's being developed in this moisture cup or in this moisture trap, there is a release valve that will allow you to purge that moisture as it's going into the cup. We do recommend that anytime you're using this machine to just slightly crack that open about a quarter of the way to halfway. That way all that moisture is going to release as you're blasting along without having the opportunity to get inside of the machine and dampen the material. As I mentioned before, you will need around 10 to 12 CFM to run this machine. If you have a 3/8 airline, you will connect it just at the bottom of this bottom plate right here where the male 3/8 airline fitting is. The next main feature on the Easy Blast 6 is the abrasive valve. The abrasive valve can be found at the very bottom of the unit, and what this does is it allows you to adjust your media from a basically 0 position to more of a fuller position. So we can actually control and meter the amount of abrasive that is flowing through the hose and the gun. This is important if we want to keep that pretty lean. That way we're using very little material, and at the end of the day we don't have to spend a lot of time on cleaning up, but we can also conserve on the material and let the air do a lot of the work. So by turning this clockwise, you will shut the material off completely. As you turn this counterclockwise, the retractable bar in this block will open up that passageway, which will allow more and more material to flow through there. So on the Easy Blast 6 gun, you'll notice that we have our black safety button or our dead man switch. You will not be able to pull the trigger until that black button is pushed in. Once that's pushed in, you can go ahead and pull the trigger. As the trigger is pulled, you can let off the black button and continue to blast. This gun does come with a 3mm nozzle. Since this is the same nozzle size and hose as the Pro 9, you do have the option to use the Pro 9 nozzle kit, giving you 4 additional nozzles, 2 for more precision, 2 for more production. To get or to exchange those nozzles, all you have to do is remove the nozzle nut, take the nozzle out, put the new one in, long way first, and then secure it back in place with the nozzle nut. Thank you for watching our technical information video on the Easy Blast 6. For more information, please make sure you check out the general introduction video with Nathan. All of our systems are available nationwide. For more information, please check out our technical website at ibixusa.com. IBIX, always keeping you on track.